Hello everyone, welcome to CAD Pro Max. So in this video we will discuss about the 3D tolerancing and annotation. We can say functional tolerancing and annotation in CATIA V5. So what is that? So basically in this you will get 3D tolerancing and annotation. Okay. This app will allow you to define and manage the 3D tolerancing specifications and annotation directly on the 3D part or product. You can go with 3D annotation directly inside the part and a product. The 3D tolerancing annotation app reduces the reliance on 2D drawings and consider 3D as the master representation. This helps in driving the engineering process from the designing phase or to the manufacturing phase. Here the main advantages is you will skip the 2D drawing as you will donate or represent all the annotation thing in a 3D model. You can create annotation at the part and product level using the 3D annotation app. So if I will go to the just click on this 3D annotation app, you will find functional tolerancing. So this is the view layout. So in view layout you will get standard, functional tolerancing, view layout, annotation, view, AR/VR, tools and touch. So basically this view layout is very important. So in this view layout you will get different types of view. So here you will get different types of view: principal view, side view. Okay, you can see here principal view as a front view, top view, left view, right side view, bottom view, rear view. Okay, then you will find some view from the reference. Once the view will created, then you will get the view from the reference. Then approximate view, then offset section view, align section view, view layout. These are some view which is generally you will find in the view layout. Then you will the importance is annotation. So basically it will in this section it will give you or enable you to create the schematic and non-schematic annotation. So in schematic annotation you will have one tools that is your tolerancing and advisor. Then non-schematic which is not related to the it is directly not linked with the part, that is your non-schematic. Then you will find the view toolbars. In view toolbars you will find the regular view element like fit all in, pan, rotate, zoom in, zoom out. Then here you will get the view, isometric view, front view, top view, just similar. But here you will find view browsers. Okay, attribute browser, view browsers, then annotation blanking, 3D master query. Okay, then element analysis, then volatile cost, then here visualization filter, 3D view filtering, link, statistic, cameras. So these are the some view element you will get in the view toolbars. Then tools. So here in tools you will get different types of tools. So most important one is design table, which is used for creating the power copy. So in this 3D tolerancing annotation you can define and manage the 3D tolerance specification and annotation using 3D tolerancing application. Then you can specify the section and action bar for managing view content and create different types of annotation. Okay, the first one is, so in this session we will see how to create different types of view in 3D tolerancing and annotations. Okay, I'm just importing one of the part where I want to create the views. So basically the annotation or view plane, your annotation can only be created in the annotation plane. Okay, that I am importing one of the part where we will create different types of view and how to manage the view. Okay, so after creating the annotation, you can transfer the annotation from plane to the drawing. Okay, so I'm just inputting one of the one of the view. So here we will create the different types of view. So this can be done to extract the 2D drawing using the view from 3D functionality from the drafting app. This drawing will automatically have all the annotation created using the 3D tolerancing and annotations. Now you can see I just inputted one of the part. Okay, now you can see I have one part where I will create the different types of view in 3D. Okay, different types of view in 3D, and after creating the view we will see whether it is we will see the view in 2D to verify the view perfectly. So you can see in the first method how to create the view. Each first thing is you will create there are four types of view. One is front view, section cut. You can see if I'll go to click on this view from the reference, you can see this is your front view, then your section view, then section cut, then here it is exometric view. Okay, the annotation and view are displayed with a frame in 3D work along with the origin and axis systems. Okay, along with the origin and axis system, the frame gets automatically resized to accommodate a new annotation. So activate the view to create the annotation. So you just click the activate and see the view. It will automatically taking the bounding box. Okay, see here front view. Just close this one to activate the plan new annotation. The 3D annotation and 3D tolerancing annotation I have checked the new annotation can be created in the particular plane or not. Okay, so we will create one by one without going to this principal view from the reference. And what is there, I'm just deleting this iron one. Okay, leave it. So I will create the front view. So here I want to create the front view. So suggested ratio is 2:1. So automatically it will be calculated. So after click on this view creation, it will ask you change the name, and here it is the projection view or section view or section cut. It will automatically see. Then you will find in which plane. I selected this one in YZ plane for a reference plane for creating the front view. Then you can go with the isolate or reverse view direction. If you will go for reverse view direction, then the view will come from the opposite side. Okay, now you can see the front view is created. Okay, if I will go with this, the front view is created with this XY plane, sorry, with the ZY plane, and you can see the front view is representing in blue color. Okay, and the red color is the direction. Okay, in this direction the front view is created. Okay, and it is coming in blue color. Now I will go to the another view. view from reference, and this one is your section view. Now I will create the section view of this. Okay, section view, and here I just writing section view. Okay, and here I am giving the direction is reverse direction. I want from the top reverse direction. Click OK, 90-degree orientation, click OK, and you can see I'll go to this. The vertical axis and this one, it is coming in green axis. The other, it is section view is represented by green axis. Okay, front view is represented in blue axis. Section view is representing in green axis. Now I want to create section cut. Okay, here I'll go with the section cut with this plane. Okay, section cut. You can go with directly from here also. You just create it one without selecting the icon. Section cut, click OK, and I will go with this. You can see it is coming with the yellow axis. Okay, yellow axis. Section cut is coming in yellow axis. Section view is coming in green axis. Front view is represented by blue axis. Now the next one is your exometric view. In this exometric view, I will take with this plane. Okay, exometric view, click OK, and see it is coming with magnet. Okay, it is coming with magnet. So what we will learn from this one is how to create the view from the reference. So our reference is here 3D element. Okay, we are not creating this with respect to the principal view. Okay, so the front view, it is represented by blue color. Section view is represented by green color. Section cut is represented by yellow color, and or axometric view, it is represented by magnet color. And see, all the time the normal axis is red until you create an annotation. Okay, you can see the normal axis is in red color in front view also. The normal axis is red color, but here it is the section view and section cut. It will be represented in green and yellow color. Okay, now you can see here the captures are created. Okay, the captures are created. I am just deleting this annotation. This both are annotation. Okay, now I want to create all this thing in principal view. Okay, so I need to select one of the view as the principal view. So in the view, you have to click the principal view and select. You can see while creating this one, it will taking front view as the principal view, but you can see the bounding box area is very big. So to adjust this bounding box, you need to select the plane so that it will calculate the bounding box with respect to the part. Okay, how do you know whether it is a front view, section view, section cut, or axometric view? We already discussed, and it is represented with the color. Okay, here you can see you can give the ratio as annotation set ratio, current zoom length, or a suggested one. Okay, according to your requirement, you may select this one. Okay, this one you can see I'm just selecting this. Okay, suggested ratio is 2:1, and I want principal view, front view only. If you want all this view, you can check on, so automatic the view will be created with respect to the front view. Okay, click. This is similar to the drawing, drafting. Okay, you can see whether we will go, whenever we will go with the front view. Okay, my front view is not selected properly. I want to change the view support. I want to change the view support with respect to this view. This is my reference view. Click OK. Now you can see this is my front view. Okay, this is my front view. You want to see the front view properly. You want to see the front view properly, you can go with this display capture. So automatic it will take to the front view, or you can directly right click and go with the display capture, so that the front view will come to the screen perfectly. Now if you want to create all this thing automatic, so you can go with this top view, left view under this thing. Okay, now I will go with the view from reference. Okay, now this one it is your front view, but this time I want this one in side view, so I will create the side view with the projection similar, just to remember with the drafting. Okay, you can go with the reverse direction. Now the side view will come like this. If you will click on the reverse, it will come from here. Okay, click OK. Now the side view. Okay, this is the side view. You can capture it, the side view. Automatically it will capture the side view. You can go with the display, so that it will show you the side view. Now similarly, from the view from the reference, you can go with section view. Section view. Section view. Okay, now you can see the capture is created automatic, and you want to see the section view perfectly, you can go with the section, right click and display capture, or you can directly click on the section view, and here you will find the display captures. Okay, now I will go with view from reference, then here it is section cut. Okay, section cut. Okay, I want in view display, you can see the section cut. Now we will see, if you want to exist from the section cut, see now here in section cut, you want to exist from the section cut, you can see here one cross mark in the right side corner, remove current filter and clipping. Click exist from the section cut. Okay, now we can see whether this view is creating perfectly or not in drafting. So I'm just creating the drafting, going to here and create the drafting. Okay, creating the drafting. Now how to call this drafting thing? 3D section to the drafting. There is one option in a drafting. One is your view from 3D. Just click over there, go to the view and select the view. This is my front view. Okay, then again view from the 3D, go to the 3D part, the side view. So this is my side view. Then view from 3D. So I am not using the draft tool for creating this view. I'm just going to the view, and here it is creating the view. This is your what front, this is your This is a section cut. Okay, so sorry, section view. Now you can see the section view. Section view is nothing but it will taking the section reference section from the plane where you select the select from section. So it will taking the offset from the plane. Now can go with the view from 3D. Here it is cut. Yes, section cut. It will take the view where the particular cut is performed. Okay, in this way you can create or you can create the view in 3D without going to the drafting workbench. Hope you got the concept how to create the view, different types of a view in 3D tolerancing annotations. Here in the first one it will show you the hierarchy of the view, and the second one you can see the different view which is involved. You can do the same thing in drafting also, but uh, when you will go with the 3D annotation, when you will create the 3D annotation here, when you will create the 3D annotation here, okay, get the 3D annotation inside the part, automatic it will reflect in 2D also. That is the main advantages for using the 3D tolerancing and annotation. Hope you got the concept how to create different types of view in 3D and replicate in 2D. Thank you so much.